How to set your video that you are editing to play in reverse. This is with YouCut Video Editor app. As always, make sure you have the latest update. It is 2026 at the time of this video. For demonstration purposes, I'll just use one of the materials video here, and you can see that the guy comes in and he kicks the ball and it flies up and it creates this sort of heart thing. All right, so for you, maybe you want your video to play backwards so that you can get a little creative and edit it in a special way. So what you're gonna do is, whether you're working with one video clip or multiple video clips, in the timeline area down here, tap on that video one time. These tools will appear, and you'll notice how there's a different set of tools when you tap on the video, and you're gonna browse over to the far right. And you're gonna see reverse right here. Once you tap on reverse, this is gonna happen, okay? It's gonna say processing, and it'll switch it over for you, and it's gonna tell you clip is reverse. Now, after it has been reversed, you will notice that the video will play from the end to the beginning. And you can see now here that it's gonna go about like this here, okay? So it's gonna play backwards. And if you've been looking for this cool tool, that's where you would go about doing it, like and sub.